Hello, this is Unlock 3, Listening and Speaking for B1. This is week 5, day 3. In this video, we are going to focus on getting ready for the speaking task, and we will study how to make an outline to help you in your presentation. Let's remember what the presentation was. You are going to give a presentation about a famous historical figure or historical event. You can find this task on page 65. There are two steps in order to be successful in this task. Step 1 is to make a list of different historical figures or events you would like to talk about. If you have more than one choices, you can choose the one that you already know about or you are interested to find about it. So it is a good idea to have more than one choices and just choose one of them. Step 2 is to make an outline of your presentation. When you are doing this, you can refer to page 65. You will see this note paper. You should think about how you will introduce your presentation. Do you remember this on page 62? The topic was explorers, explorations, travelers, traveling. And here he talked about somebody, and then finally he mentioned the name. So this was a good introduction. You might want to copy this. The second part is why you chose this person. Did she or he do something important for your country or for the world? Did she or he change you personally in a way? Or is there another reason why you chose this person? The third part is some general facts about this person. Some general facts could include the person's name, nationality, birth date, field of study or profession, like maybe physics or mathematics or something else. Circumstances at the time. For example, if you are talking about physics, what was physics like at that time, at that period of time in history? His or her achievements. Make a list of the most important things, not everything, but the most important things she or he has done. And your personal opinions of this person. Include some sentences that describe your opinion of the person. Remember, we studied how to talk about facts or opinions on page 61. If you don't remember, you can go back to that video lesson. Another thing to include in your outline is what we learned from this person. Did we learn the importance of courage, honesty, leadership, or something else? Did we learn how something works from this person? Did we learn what to do in certain situations from this person? Or what did we learn from this person? And finally, we will have a kind of conclusion. And in this conclusion, we can offer predictions, suggestions, or a kind of advice. To give you an example, I'm going to make an outline about somebody I would like to talk about. In my introduction, I'm going to focus on aviation at the time, some examples of experiments in aviation, and I will mention the person's name. The reason I chose this person is I admire her. I like her. I like what she did very much. Some general facts. American female, and I will give you some information about her childhood. Achievements, what she has done, some information here, my personal opinions, and what we learned, and I will make a conclusion at the end. When you complete your outline, you should practice and practice again, and finally practice one more time. Practice makes your presentation as near to perfect as possible. So practice is the key. When you practice, practice, and practice, you will know your subject very well and you will be ready for your presentation. When you are getting ready for the task, try to include some vocabulary items of Unit 3 listed on pages 195 and 196. So in this video, we focused on how to get ready for the speaking task. You can now go to the next video to watch a sample presentation on Amelia Earhart.